Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can view your notes in the Obsidian Notes application as a slide presentation. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the Obsidian Notes app, select your workspace in the bottom left. And then guys, what you want to do is right click into the given note or canvas you would like to view as a presentation. And then choose Start Presentation. If you don't see this option guys, it may be because these slide presentations need to be enabled first. So to do that, click into that gear icon at the bottom, navigate to Core Plugins. Here scroll down till you get to Slides and enable them or switch them on here. Next guys, what you want to do is divide your note into specific pages. Otherwise the entire note will be shown in one slide. So what you want to do is, let's assume I would like to create a page or make a divider here. What you need to do is add a horizontal divider by pressing the dash button or key on your keyboard 3 times. Press enter, and that is going to add a divider like this. And this is also going to divide your presentation into slide 1, slide 2, and so on and so forth. So if you add another divider, here's another divider, let me also add one here. Press enter. And now guys, you can watch your note in the presentation. Click into it. And now you can navigate through the presentation in the bottom right. 30 slides. And yeah, close the presentation top right. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.